Good morning vlog. It's been a wild morning. I filmed a video. It is now almost 2 p.m. which is really crazy because I got up at like 9:30. But yeah, we're vlogging. It's so hard to open our front door. We're gonna vlog today. We're going to Seoul. It's gonna be great. But first, we have to go to Gucci so I can get slides. I have to go get a new camera from Best Buy. Look, you guys know I got a new camera, but I have to, it's really complicated with like insurance and replacements and stuff. I know I'm not gonna show our address, but I'm gonna show my face. And yeah, we might have to get Sweetgreen after Seoul. I'm gonna get a pedicure later, I think. And that's the plan for the day. Hey guys. Wait, someone said in a vlog recently, they're like, we haven't seen enough of Abby. I miss her.
I'm right here.
Here she is. Oh, we're both sick. Oh wait, yeah, okay, I should talk about that. Because yesterday I didn't vlog because I wasn't in the mood because I woke up and I cried all morning because I felt so sad. Sorry, you had to watch me cry. I was being so dramatic. But yeah, I ended up having strep and Abby probably does too. I don't even know.
I got some ickiness from her.
Yeah, we're all antibioticed up right now. But
yeah.
I feel literally like whenever I feel like that, like I know I need antibiotics, and the second I take them, no, probably like an hour later, I feel fine.
But honestly, Louisa has a great immune system for living with us.
I know. How did you not get sick from us? Good immune system.
We both get sick so easy off each other.
Like in like one day, me and Abby shared a water bottle, and we were both like,
Gretchen, is that my water bottle? I'm like, yeah.
But now we're gonna be smart about it because
yeah, no.
I had strep exactly a month ago, and now I have it again. So let me know. But I honestly feel so fine. Like I woke up, my lymph nodes weren't even that swollen.
Also, pro tip:
my throat feels better.
This Geraghty feels so good on your throat. If you have a sore throat, it like soothes the throat.
Soothes it.
And there's a fun top to sip out of.
Hallelujah! Finally! Guys, good news. I don't really know how this worked out, but like every time that insurance I get, I think is like 200. Except like when like the camera. When I first got the G7X Mark II, I'm pretty sure it was like $850, $900, but then it was always like $700. Like I think it's now just normally $700, but then it's like on sale at Best Buy right now. But like, so they gave me a gift card for the old camera, like how much it was, like ended up being like $700 something with like tax, you know. But then, so when I bought the new camera, since it was on sale, I like saved all this money, and then I got the like insurance plan. So then he's like, okay, you owe like $14. I'm like, wait, what? I was like, with the insurance, and he was like, yeah. I was like, okay. Whoa! So what number camera is this? Yes, she does. We're on the new camera. Yay! Can you notice?
Looks so different.
No, it looks literally exactly the same.
Looks wild.
What up? Okay, but now we're gonna go anyway because we have to go to. We're not going to UPS anymore. Where are we gonna go right now? Gucci. Oh, Gucci.
And Sunglass.
And then Sunglass Hut. And then Seoul with James. Wow! It's 4:14 and I somehow scored a parking spot right across the street from the soulcycle studio in Back Bay. I don't know how I did that, but these are so cool. Did I tell you guys why I wanted them? I know I told Louisa. You guys know Rachel Lindsay, who is the Bachelorette? She literally last night on her Instagram story, it was like 2 a.m. I was going to bed, and I looked at her Instagram story, and it was these flip-flops, or slides, whatever they're called, and I was like, I need them.
They're so cute.
So then I went and I got them. They smell, whoa, they smell like new shoes. They smell like,
oh my god, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, bye. We're going to Seoul. Hi. Louisa's first time at James, and maybe Abby's second if she gets in.
I don't know.
We have to see if Abby gets in.
I never signed up, so I'm on the wait list.
Yeah, the wait list, sort of. Hi, what's up? Okay, I was gonna show them another kid. If he remembers you.
He remembers yelling in my face.
Hey, B. Okay, wait, who's your favorite now out of all three?
I don't know.
James is the best.
I mean, before I told you, now I don't know.
Team James.
That's a good sign, isn't it?
I like him still dripping because he took my towel.
Like my ears are like so clogged.
I want to give you guys a story time.
What?
I said I want to give them a story time. Well, first of all, I like never wear bottom mascara unless I'm filming and I think it looks good. And I filmed a video earlier, so that's happening. But I was so excited to be next to Louisa and watch her the whole time. And then after the second song, James comes over and is like, I need you in the front. Because I feel like when someone's not in the front, it like affects the whole class. Like everyone's just like you need the person to follow. And I was like, not today. I literally have to scrub. But I feel so good. Really? You can see me? Yeah. Could you see? Oh yeah, you could see me because you were right behind me.
I'm stressed.
I'm gonna help you. Abby can't remember her combination.
I forgot where I put it.
But you were doing really good at the beginning. I saw your foot, you were on it.
No, it's not my combination, I brought my locker.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. She knows her combination, she just doesn't know the locker.
9998, we gotta unlock every one.
We're gonna check every locker. Oh wait, I'll tell you in a sec. I know your order. I do know it. Okay, I'll tell you right now. This is what Lisa gets at Sweetgreen. She gets kale Caesar, no tomatoes. Yeah. Nothing else instead. But Sarah gets tomato. Sarah gets cucumbers.
Yeah, what? There's one more change.
But you don't get Caesar.
I don't get Caesar?
No, Abby doesn't get Caesar. You don't get cheese. You don't get cheese. You get chicken. Did you add something?
No, I changed something.
You change, it's like the dressing or the cheese or something. You changed the kale to romaine? I was so close. But I know you get it without tomatoes.
No, I give you
And Sarah, I don't know why I just remember that because you told me that Sarah substitutes it with cucumber. Okay, I wanted to show you guys. We got fitted on the new bikes, which I already went on because all summer they had them in New York, but they're just getting them in Boston. And if you're wondering what my settings are for the new ones, because that's us, that's mine. I ride with it at a 6, my handlebars at 1, and I go 5 back, and yeah. And then that's Abby, and that's Louisa. Wait, we have to find you a spot with, come here, where there's like, you can Velcro it. So when people, when you forget. Now we're going to Sweetgreen. That was the best class ever. I'm in the best mood. And yeah, he was so nice to me. It was so fun. He was so nice to you, Abby. You redeemed yourself. He was like, you were just smiling. Oh wait, and hi Victoria, if you're watching this, who I met before the class, you were so cute and sweet. It was her
I was in the bathroom.
It was, whoa, that was in English. It was her first time at James L too. And I was like, you are gonna love it. And oh yeah, I said we're going to Sweetgreen.
And life is good.
I felt like I was gonna say something else, but I forget. He had really good music. It's very busy. It's 5:30. I know, I knew all of them.
When it was
and you sing along.
I was like,
I love that, and you just bop around. Saint Bernard.
And then Gretchen's towel went bye-bye. I had to give her my towel.
Yeah, he was like, bye bitch, and threw my towel. And
I'm like,
he always does that.
Her.
Wait, guys.
Where did he throw your towel? Across the room.
He was just like, woo!
And I could tell Gretchen was like,
I know,
he like threw water at us.
I know. Always does that.
I was like, where am I, right?
Sometimes it's too much. I would be in the front, in the end, I'd be like, like soaking wet.
It's not like a mist, it's like a flat.
I love when he gets on the bikes and twerks. That's the best. Did you see him climb up on them? Sometimes he will.
She goes, is Hannah home? Someone let me in the main door. I'm chilling by her door.
Okay, we're at Sweetgreen. I think a girl was just yelling Gretchen. I love you if you're seeing this. Hi, sis.
Hi, sis. Are you just
Sister
snatch. I'm so excited.
Wait, I actually meant to tell you last night. I wanted to watch. I saw he posted an apartment tour, and I don't watch his videos, but I wanted to see it.
Ew.
Did you watch it, Louisa?
What? Apartment tour? Yeah, I saw it.
Wait, will you watch it with me? Because I want to see it. I'm like, those videos interest me. I forgot to vlog our Sweetgreen. Hey guys, what's up? We're watching Friends. You all looked like lifeless. Like frozen. But here's my empty Sweetgreen. This is the mess I made. And now I'm throwing it away. I got full, so I couldn't finish my beets. And now I have to shower. Dink, dink, dink. Someone asked me in my Instagram post what leggings these are, so I'm going to tell you guys. They're the Aligns, and I love them, and you're actually not supposed to do sole in them. So don't do sole in them. But I just did because I like did not bother like clean ones. But you're supposed to use like more spandexy feeling ones. Like I like doing sole in my high-waisted Wonder Under Extremes because they're like really good when you sweat a lot. But I just wore them today. But Yeah. Now I gotta shower and run over to get a pedicure because I need a pedicure so bad. I know this is kind of weird that I'm gonna show you my feet, but can you just, whoa, it looks like I have the biggest flip-flop tan. Okay, it doesn't look like that in real life, but can you see how like chipped my toes are? Why do my feet look like that on camera? I swear they don't look like that in real life. Okay, they kind of do, but that's like really extreme looking. Anyway, shower time. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
I just put on Loving Tan, and Abby tried to put on Self Tanner over her makeup. I'm like, you are really dumb. But it's okay. We blended it out. And she just put on her cheeks. I'm like, you cannot do that. You're gonna have 2 brown spots on your cheeks.
You are so dumb.
You are really, really dumb.
I feel so loved.
But I don't worry, I put it on her face and stuff. That's why I look like crazy.
Right now we're going to see the movie Adrift. It just came out, and KP is here. Yeah. Abby wanted to see it.
Woo! And I got my nails done. I didn't bring you guys along because I forgot. Simply because I forgot. Oh yeah, my toenails. Do you like them?
It already looks messy.
Woo! What looks messy?
She's being so mean.
No, I blended it out. You'll be fine.
Alright, Louisa, you can sit here.
Oh, she got a red
Yeah, buddy. Woo! I haven't had this in so long. I have to take out. Yeah. Guys, look at my outfit.
So buttery.
Yum. Hey, Louisa.
Hey,
what's up?
Thank you.
Guys, this is so yum. What more could you ask for? We have
on a date, don't text.
We have don't text. We have our ice cream balls.
Yeah.
Hey, bitch.
You go rogue, he's been authorized to get you down and kill you. That's the job.
Look at, I got my toes in the water. You know that song?
No.
Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand.
I'm jumping out a window!
Yep.
Sorry, good luck.
These little mans are so good.
We're gonna see the movie Adrift, and I'm so excited.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. I know it.
I already spoiled it for Gretchen.
I know. I'm pretending like I don't know what happened, you know?
Walk away.
He's cute. What's his name? Is that
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. I go, he's cute. Who is he? I knew him. Look at everyone. It's Tom Cruise.
Accept it, Ethan. You've lost this one.
No, not good. Never see this movie. Don't watch it. We literally all screamed. I'm never going on a boat ever again. Oh my god.
I'm sweating.
Louisa is so sad. Oh my god. That was really sad.
That was
insane. It's like the one part that just ruins you.
We all just like started hysterical
I was not
crying.
expecting that.
No, I had no clue. I watched every interview, every trailer, and did not expect that.
Don't watch this movie.